Hey, what's going on guys? This is Error Redux and welcome back to another technology video where, as you can kind of see, I have a lot of that. This we took a look at before and it didn't work. So I played an illusion on you to assume that it did because I was embarrassed that I bought something that was worth nothing. So what did I do? Well, of course I bought even more of that thing. Here's a Panasonic Omni Video, I think. And this is some other RCA camcorder, not unlike this one. But, unlike this one, these did not say that they were for parts or not working. They said they were fully working. So, hopefully, I can get one of them to goddamn work. I'm kind of desperate here. I bought 2 of the damn things. Actually, no, I bought 3 of the damn things. If none of them works... So let's hope for my sanity that one of these ends up working. Let's go. Sorry for not miking up. I've just kind of decided I'm not going to do that. So this is the newer RCA camcorder. By the way, these are all supposed to be full VHS camcorders, so let's see if this is true. I haven't actually opened this yet at all. Let's just see. Ooh, okay. Let's see here. It smells like weirdness. Here's the camera charger thing. Here's a battery, I think. Is this a lead acid battery? Or nickel cadmium or something? Do not place in or near fire. Yeah, no shit. You know, people that need to be told that probably shouldn't be around. Here's another battery. Seems to be slightly different. Actually quite different. We have... a little strappy. We love little strappies on this channel. And we have the camcorder itself, which actually looks to be in not awful condition. Look at that. That's actually not bad. This looks like almost brand new. I mean, it's a little dusty, but... Okay, so I was missing this cable from the other camcorder, which then will go to the DC jack on the side of the power supply, which is 9.6 volts, 2.3 amps, which that goes to the wall. So I might have to do that because I don't think the batteries work. What goes in here? Oh, this is probably the CR2032 battery, which I'm never going to get in if it wasn't for that. Oh no, it's composite jacks. It only has its own mono camera, really? Say it has a mono composite kind of set there, but that's okay. Yeah, video, audio, oh, RF, DC out, what? And then, oh, you can switch it from out or in. That's pretty cool, actually. You can record on this. Obviously, but from like an external source, I mean. Alright, so there's the lens. Looks okay so far. Sorry if it's a little dark. I don't have my light this time around. I am going to get my little power thing. Wait, that's my girlfriend. Never mind. Alright, so we have my little power thing. Let's see what we can do with this. Of course, just like last time, this has the AC port on it, just like as if you were plugging something into the wall. So let's take this power adapter, plug it into that little power thing. See if we can plug the camera's thing into this. At least it's power adapter into it. There we go. That goes in with a nice snap. Okay, this is going to be kind of a stunt. So what I'm going to do is everything to do with the camera. So move the stand, move the battery, move the charger thing. Not the stand. What am I talking about? I just moved the camera stand. You're on top of it. You're supposed to do this. Oh wait, where's the thing? Oh, there we go. Wait, what? Okay, so let's see if we can get this working. 3, 2, 1. Turn the battery on. All right, now it works. It bloody works, man. Okay, well, let's turn it off because it was like automatically on to like camera mode. So let's actually go get a tape. Okay, so here I have an 8-hour T160 tape. I've actually ran through quite a bit of it, as you could see. If you're used to looking at VHS tapes, and if you know the trick, you can press the button on the side and open the tape up. There you go. Let's put this into the camera. These feel very cheap and rattly, by the way. Turn the camera on. Oh, let's open the... Can I open the door? How do I do that? Eject. Incredible. Let's put the huge ass tape in. Come here. Come here. You gotta see this. Or hear it, actually. All right, so we're in camera mode. We try recording something. Where's the record? Oh, it's in the middle there. Okay. So, wait, tape. Just as tape. What about it? Restart it. Okay, record. Alright, so hopefully I'm recording something. Okay, so recording now. Here's my little battery thing, my little power thing. Here is you, actually, as a matter of fact. That's me filming you. So, yeah. I can't believe this actually worked after a million years. Let me record outside a little bit. Wow. I'm not using this how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to put it up here and have your eye on this. Which that actually works a little bit better, although you hear a lot of VHS equipment, as you probably should. Alright. Let me stop recording. Now let me stop. Oh no, it's ejecting, isn't it? Ah, Jesus. That's a bit violent, don't you think? Alright, let's put it back in. Let's pop it over to VCR mode. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to rewind it a little bit. That's Minecraft footage. Come on. Oh my god. It actually did it. It recorded. I got it to work! Freaking mad scientist looking at us. Yes, I know. Shut up. So now the next step is to see what I've recorded on period accurate equipment. And I said that really wrong, but I don't care. Let's go. Crap. I forgot to eject the tape. Shitballs. Let's try that again. VCR. Stop eject. Feel the clunk with me. Oh, man, okay, there's the tape. Close that up. Turn it off. Let's turn this off now. Let me put the cap back on this. Alright, I want to know if the batteries are going to charge. So before we see what I recorded on an actual period VCR and kind of period TV, I'm going to try to charge the batteries. Now, I don't know how well that's going to go, since this seems to be the original RCA battery pack that was maybe made with this camcorder. It's a 10 volt, 1640 milliamp hour battery. It's supposed to last for an hour, 30 minutes. At full charge. What is this one? This one is just battery pack. It's actually it's about half the rated milliamp hours. It's only 850 at 10 volts, so it's 1 hour, which is weird because this one says it's 1.5 and it's like twice the capacity, so that's weird. One of them flubbed the numbers. I'm guessing it's going to be the one that has no name on it. But anyway, let's just see if any of these charges. Let's try the original RCA one first. Where I put the battery? I'm assuming it's like this. No, wait, what? I am so confused. So it's, oh wait, it probably slides in like this. Maybe it goes in like this? No, like this. Maybe the other way? What the hell? That looks like it's on there. Oh. You can hear stuff rattling around on this thing. I don't like that. How do you insert the battery? There's no, like, instructions. So I'm guessing that's correct, and I just have to leave that in plugged in somewhere. So let's do so. Okay, it says power. It does not say charge, though. Okay, let me try the other battery. The smaller one. Still does not say it's charging. Maybe the LED's just burnt out or something. I'm gonna leave this battery charging here. And just see what happens. Alright, let's go see what hellish thing I recorded. I don't know when this particular VCR came out, but it's definitely good enough for what I'm doing, so let's put the tape in. Also, ignore the camcorder. That's all completely separate to what's happening here. Alright, here we go. Let's turn on the TV. This is a 2005 1080p TV. It has LCD, but it's also ancient and, well, kind of bad. There we go. Let's rewind a tiny bit. Oh, gross. Forgot about that. Oh, you know what? It's the TV's fault. Stupid TV. There we go. That looks better. Right, so hopefully I'm recording something. So, recording now. Here's my little battery thing, my little power thing. Here is you, actually, as a matter of fact. That's me filming you. So, yeah. I can't believe this actually worked after a million years. Let me record outside a little bit. Wow. I'm not using this how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to put it up here and have your eye on this, which that actually works a little bit better. I'll let you hear about the VHS equipment, as you probably should. All right. Let me just stop recording. And there we go. And that was pretty damn cool. Let me just eject the tape. Wait, crap. How do I do that with this? I guess I can't eject with the remote, so that's weird. And there we go. I'm probably going to dub this off later to a computer that's actually down here, but for now, I thank you guys for watching. This has been Red Redux, and I don't know if I'll make videos like this again, but hopefully I will, and I'll see you then as a short video or live stream, whatever that may be. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great rest of your evening. See ya.
So we pulled our scarves around our faces in the night, huddled on the doorsteps where the fairy lights shone bright, singing Christmas carols while our breath hung in the light. It all comes back like yesterday. It almost seems like yesterday. Do you remember the changes as we grew? Slowly, slowly, slow.
Put the shit back in.